Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is a quick update for you all for the recent examination that was conducted, and that is the scorecard for the CSIR June exam is now released on the official site. Go to the official site of csirnta.nic.in. Check in your scorecard and do not forget to comment down in the chat section that what your scores was. All the very best, good luck, take care, and I hope you all qualify with flying numbers. Let's wait for the expected cutoff as well. So we might have the cutoff released very soon. Do not have any negative thoughts in the mind. Just check your scorecards, and all the very best, good luck, and also do not forget to let us know in the comment sections below. Go to the official site right away and check your scorecards. Good luck everyone, take care.